Okay, this is the day that the Lord has made. I shall rejoice and be glad because today I drive the Mini Cooper S Convertible. Comes powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol, 204 horsepower, 300 Newton meters of pure, swinging 60s mayhem. And this is a fashion icon, man. It's a lifestyle icon. Turns heads like crazy. And look at it, the way it is built. The interiors are all made up of sustainable material. And the steering, the Mini logo, this particular touchscreen infotainment system is truly one of a kind for the Mini, and it does 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds, and it's a front wheel drive. So and it's a convertible. The roof goes down in 18 seconds. Here you have all the, you can look at this user interface all day long. Such a beautiful vivid crystal clear display. And then here you have personal assistant, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, infotainment, vehicle. In vehicle you can get into driving settings. Here lane departure warning, safety warnings, front collision. We'll turn it off because it has to be turned off every time. Lane departure warning, we'll turn that off as well. Speed warning can be there, attentiveness. Okay, we have different experiences. Okay, put to vivid. It looks absolutely stunning. And we have balance, we have personal as well. Personal looks gorgeous. So here in the experiences, we have go-kart mode, which is the sporty mode. Oh God. Then you also have the core mode, which is the balanced city mode. And then we have the green or the efficient mode, okay, for fuel efficiency. But we are here to play around with the Mini Cooper S, and how would we not maximize the power? So let's launch this. We are in drive and let's get going. You have a heads-up display as well. Oh boy, this thing is an absolute rocket. Wow, what an experience. It's like a go-kart with rocket thrusters up its posterior, and it's so stable, so stable. I'm falling in love. This is a new type of experience. It's like that reggae and rap song, the fun song. It's like that mysterious girl song from the 90s. It's like a Shaggy's rap song. It stole the show in the Italian Job movie. And this is an icon from the 60s. In fact, it won 3 races from the legendary iconic Monte Carlo race. And it's been a global icon when it comes to making a fashion statement, a style statement, and of course pure fun on tarmac. Nothing comes close to matching the kind of hot hatch character that the Mini Cooper has on offer, and that you will believe once you get behind the steering wheel and start driving it. The driving dynamics are so good. So intoxicating, if that is the right word. It'll literally blow your mind away. At the same time, it'll suck you in to that 60s car culture. It's very, very special the way you sit, the cabin. It's a very unique experience overall. It's not the standard run of the mill car experience that you come expecting from a Mini Cooper. It's so out of the ordinary, so out of the box that you have to drive it to believe it and experience it. And once you do, you fall in love with it. Like I am currently. It's, oh boy, what a lovely piece of art. Carbon Kardon speakers for the audio files. But more than that, it's pure fun on the run that defines the core of this machine. Ooh la la. This thing puts an instant smile on your face. And we're just having fun here. Trying to get a glimpse of the character, the peppy character, the punchy character. The bubbly character, or full of energy that this car is. It oozes energy. It wakes you up. It makes you feel alive. And that is the Mini Cooper experience for you. It feels like a go-kart on steroids. It's so damn good. Now we are in the go-kart mode. It gives you that downshifts, the punchy feel that you come expecting. Oh boy. Little monster here. Got a little monster. And it just plays so effortlessly. Oh. And the front wheel drive ensures you're in control always. Oh, such a fun car to drive on any given day. Oh, the way it accelerates. You can keep doing this all day long until you run out of fuel. That's meant for play on any given day. Oh, wow. The brakes are right on the money. Use over it is capable of. 200 comes up in no time. But it's not about just going fast across a straight line. It's about agility and precision and pinpoint precision while tackling the corners. That's what Mini Cooper means to you and me and to the world. And I'm a fan. I'm an instant fan. I drove the Countryman earlier at an event, but never could unleash it the way it was supposed to be. And I drove the Mini Cooper at a track, at a go-kart track that was way too small to again get a glimpse of pure monstrosity lurking underneath. But that's what I'm saying. Behind this cute and cuddly demeanor lies pure mayhem. And pure magic, unlike anything else. So when you're buying yourself a Mini Cooper, you are indulging in some kind of an experience that no other car can offer. And that is how I'd like to sum up this particular experience. Blown away, but at the same time, I'm so intrigued by the kind of driving dynamics this beautiful hot hatch has on offer. And yeah, at least once in a lifetime, you gotta have one in your garage.